thread.
Would Dory be okay with this?
That's why we should use it. Because I'm mad at him.
I want to sit on this chair.
I'm not mad at him. Oh, Brittany, I'm gonna drop stuff.
You dropped stuff.
For sure. Ooh.
Just move. That was kind of...
Move. Wait. Don't turn it on yet. Are you using clear thread?
I'd rather not because that would probably break in the sewing machine.
You're using your brain.
There's white thread right here. This is not good thread.
It's not good thread.
Good.
It'll break. Alright. Just make sure you have more. You need to make a bobbin. You know
Hold on!
She doesn't know how to do that.
I know how to do that. It's not that hard.
To thread a bobbin. Come do it.
Okay. I'm gonna do it the wrong way.
If you don't know how to do it.
I know. I'm alright. You should lock that door so I can stop coming in here. Can you lock it on this side? Yeah, you can. Can you? I can't see.
Oh, I think this is a metallic needle because we don't have any other ones.
I don't care. What, does it matter?
Yeah. But I will tell students in this what we need to get.
We have some. She just bought a bunch.
Yeah, they all broke, remember? These are all metallic and then we don't have any more in university. And remember, the Cinex costume broke all of the needles.
That was a stupid. I hated that costume.
I was one of them.
Some Taylor Swift.
Brittany, hurry up.
Oh yeah, I have to do the bottom, don't I?
Yeah, you do, because I'm not doing it. I want to make sure, because you put on your resume that you know how to use it.
Actually, no, I think I just put how to hand
Use it. Brittany, come on. You need to know how to do this. I wanted to let you finish that, but then you would have been, because you would have gone through with it, and you would have ended up putting it on.
Ouch! Ouch! How much I put on?
How much do you put on until it doesn't move?
Until what doesn't move?
Stop! It's done. It's done. It's done.
We're not gonna be. It's like ADD because now it's not covering the entire
Brittany?
bottom.
Yeah, that's the point. That's why you put it on there.
On here? Why?
I thought you knew how to thread a bobbin.
No.
Oh my god, what are you doing? What are you doing?
Spinning it.
You're so stupid.
You were sitting there watching me. I was waiting. I just changed it. Oh, it's too late now. I want to do it. I'm just kidding. I don't break it. I like this song. Get the Brittany. What? If I break it, you're redoing it for me. Doing it the right way. Don't I have to? I have white thread all over me.
Brittany, get the stopper for it.
The what?
Are you kidding me?
Yeah.
Are you really that stupid?
Yes. Where is it? Oh, I didn't know you took it off. Oh yeah, I did because I saw it. That's right. Is it on? Well, it's not out. I'm gonna break something. I should pin this first. Hold on.
Thread the bobbin first. You have to thread the bobbin first.
I'm pinning it. I'm not even touching it. rap when I
Hurry
first
up,
rap.
Brittany, come on. I have to go be out there. And call people that aren't here.
That's like everybody.
I know.
So just start calling everybody. You little brat. Ow! Okay, if this messes up, I'm gonna say exactly what she just said in the song. I'm just sitting here fake rapping.
Come on.
I'm thinking.
I didn't really get it.
For the bobbin? Thread the bobbin?
Mm-hmm.
I'm freak.
Turn it on. Go.
It's backwards. So what?
Go.
I don't know how.
Push the thing.
You broke it!
That's another damn time. Keep doing it. It's when you go slow.
I
Stop.
was doing it
Stop.
slow! You do realize, like, no, go ahead.
Then hold it. No, this!
You said it. Think it
Just
was
hold
this
it
or
like,
this?
No, hold it like this so it doesn't get tangled up. Now go. Go.
Okay, yeah, but you told me to go slow, and then... Let go!
Okay, not so slow that it goes in the...
You mean not so fast?
Go. I will go. I will go. I will... God damn it, stop. Move. I'm done. Move. Just... Ridiculous. Okay, I need to show
I
you
kind
a
of just
chair.
want to play dumb now. What's this thing called?
Broke it. It's really not that hard.
What do I do with it?
Really. Oh my god. Put it in there. Look at that. You see the string?
No.
You see the string, how it goes over and under? Make sure you put the string in the right way.
I did.
No, you didn't.
Yes, I
Oh
did!
my god, it goes this
Oh.
way.
I didn't know that freaking mattered.
Yes, it does. Did you even use a sewing machine in Forum?
No, but I use one for Legally Blonde.
How?
I don't know.
You clearly don't understand how to do it. Okay, stop, stop,
Enough.
stop. Where's the other one?
It's stuck to me. I can't get it off.
Where's the other thread? You know how to thread this? God, please say yes.
No.
Follow the arrows.
Oh, thread it? Yeah, I know how to do that.
Now hook it under.
Under what?
Oh. Oh!
I hate you.
Hook it there. Put it through there. You know, this is going to be horrible teaching it to that new girl in our crew. Shut up! He's videotaping us. God. You're such an idiot.
I'm sorry, that's funny.
Okay, obviously that can't go on Facebook now. Or you have to bleep it out. Or something. Ah! She's a really nice person. It's just, it's going to be really hard explaining things to her.
It's gonna take me like 10 minutes alone. Oh, I did it.
Watch her not flip the foot.
I know how to do it, I just don't know how to do it. How do you get that? Is it already all? How How do you put it under? I know how you put it under, but
What are you doing?
Putting it under. You put it under the table. You go like this.
Oh, I didn't know how to
There's
get
a
it
little
under
line.
there, but I didn't want to break it.
If you
I
keep
knew it
your
was supposed to
strings
go in there.
separate-
I knew it was
It's
supposed to
easier.
go in there, I just didn't know how.
Now, what do you do? Get a scrap fabric. Get the... Run it through. But it has to be double layered.
I know. Can I just do this?
Just make sure it's not all the way out. So. Foot down! Foot down, foot down!
Oh, yeah.
Wrong one!
Oh, yeah.
No, go. Slow. Are you serious? You just jammed it.
No, I didn't.
What the hell?
I stopped because you said slow.
No.
I didn't jam it.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I just stopped sewing.
It sounds like it jammed.
No, I stopped because you said slow. It was not going slow.
And now you jammed it! Stop, stop, stop.
Yeah, no.
Go. 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 Move.
I know how to do this.
We don't need to do that. Move.
I don't even know
So
how
I
to
can
do it,
fix it.
actually. I thought I could.
What the hell did you do?
Me, but I couldn't do it all alone. Please don't kill me. I didn't mean to do it. You always do it, so you can't blame me.
I don't always do it. What are you talking about?
Shout it down my hand is sorry that you didn't say.
Sorry.
Sorry, getting ghetto. Okay. Is it canceled or are we waiting?
Oh, we're done. We finished. I'm not trying to be horrible, but the second platform on stage right, it's a little bendy.
Didn't I say that when I went up there?
It's okay, like it's perfectly fine, but Woodrow, please don't hate me. I just wanted to let you know. It's good enough that like you can handle it and it'll be fine for the
You
show,
pinned it
but
the wrong way.
it is a little bendy.
No, I didn't.
Okay. I just wanted to
Oh, yes,
say.
I did. Oops. Teaching her is so hard.
No, I wasn't thinking about that aspect.
Okay, go. Let's get so. Hurry, so we can leave.
Hurry.
I'm taking that home.
Hurry.
So.
Hurry so we can
We can do
leave.
it tomorrow in class.
Okay, then turn it
Bitch.
off because you're doing it, and you need to videotape that too, because this
I'm
is
scared to
ridiculous.
unplug it. We turn the power off. Never mind. Hey, I can't see